What's up, guys? Welcome to another unboxing of the Eagle Moss NISSAN GTR 1/8 scale model kit, shipment number 13. Let's cut to the chase and see what they give us this time. It's getting harder and harder to keep up with the payments for this thing, so I'll leave a PayPal link if you guys want to contribute anything to help me continue on with this monthly unboxing. So we get 47 through 50 this time. We're halfway there, guys. Halfway there. So we have springs, struts, control arms, shocks, good stuff. Camber arms and things. Alright, we got the other side of the the brake discs. Jesus Christ, I can't speak. Oh yeah. Oh, looks like a. Oh, I think this is where the steering rack goes. Somewhere here. I think this is the steering rack that controls the wheels. That's cool. Man, there's some heavy metal stuff. Shipment 13. We will build the front right suspension. Okay, add more parts to it. The front brake system and the steering rack. Yeah. Alright, coming with 14. This, and this. Almost there, guys. Halfway there. Keep supporting this channel, guys. Give it a like. Follow me on this monthly journey. So hopefully I can get everything all in one piece. And I will do a live stream of it once I get all the parts in. So you guys don't want to miss that. Comment, like it, share it, say what you guys want to say. And I'll see you guys next time.